guys, welcome back to TechnoFiction. The next unit in Leads and Opportunities for Lightning Experience module is Sell as a Team and Split the Credit. So this is a small unit. So in this unit you will learn how to use opportunity teams and account teams and apply revenue splits and overlay splits to an opportunity. So first let's see about Sell as a Team. It often takes a team to close a deal. If your Salesforce admin has enabled team selling, adding an opportunity team helps team members work together and track the opportunity's progress. Opportunity teams are a bit like account teams. Both let you relate particular people at your company to accounts or opportunities. But whereas account team members can be expected to form a long-term relationship with a customer, an opportunity team is a temporary group. So the next one is split credit for an opportunity. Your Salesforce admin can enable opportunity splits to give opportunity team members incentive to complete a deal by letting the opportunity owner share credit. If you're the opportunity owner or above the owner in the role hierarchy, you can add and adjust splits on an opportunity. We can add splits by clicking the Edit Opportunity Splits in Opportunity Split Related list. So there are two kinds of splits. One is revenue split and another one is overlay split. Revenue splits are for crediting team members who are directly responsible for the revenue on an opportunity. Revenue splits always total 100% of the opportunity amount. So in overlay split, an overlay split gives you a way to credit supporting team members. It can total any percent of the opportunity amount, including a percent over 100 percentage, and it doesn't count toward the revenue split on the same opportunity. Team members working on an opportunity can roll their individual sales credits into forecast and into quota and pipeline reports for the entire team. To generate reports, use one of the following report types: split opportunities with products, split opportunities with products and schedules. So in this unit they have given quiz. And the first question is, which of the following can you expect from opportunity teams? And the options are: option A, they form long-term relationship with customers. Option B, they share information, tips or contacts that helps close a deal. Option C, they split credit equally on every opportunity. And option D is option B and C. So the answer is option B. They share information, tips or contacts that help close a deal. The next question is, what type of split do you use to credit a supporting team member who wasn't directly responsible for the revenue on an opportunity? Option A, none. Option B, a revenue split. Option C, a support split. Option D, an overlay split. There are only two types of split, that is revenue and overlay split. Revenue split is directly responsible. So the question is, who wasn't directly responsible? So the answer is option D, an overlay split. So let's check the answer. So we have completed this challenge. If you like this video, then put a like, and want to learn more from me, then press the red button below and hit the bell icon. Share this video with your friends and comment your thought about this video. Keep watching, stay tuned, and thanks for watching.